Hello everyone, this is Santosh Yadav, your English teacher. Dear students, I welcome you all to my class. Students, today I am going to start new chapter of your book, Moments, chapter 7, The Last Leaf, written by O. Henry. The author of this chapter, the story is O. Henry. First of all, dear students, I would like to tell you something about the author, O. Henry. Dear O. Henry was an American short story writer. He belonged to USA, New York, and he was born on 11 September 1862 at Greensboro, North Carolina. His pen name was William Sidney Porter. Some of his famous writings were the one which you are going to study, The Last Leaf, After 20 Years, The Gift of Mary, etc. Okay, and he died on 5th June 1910 in New York, USA. Okay, so let's come to the chapter. Let's come to the story which we are going to study today. Okay, so first of all, I want to tell you something about this chapter, about the characters of the chapter. I'll give you a brief summary. What the theme of this chapter is. Okay. So dear students, the last leaf. We will discuss the title of this chapter. First of all, the last leaf, the work of Sir O. Henry. It was published in the year 1907. 1927 में इसे पब्लिश किया गया था, and as you can see, Sir O. Henry, he died on 1910. So we can see that at the last phase of his life, he published his story, short story, The Last Leaf. Okay. So, what is the title of this story says? Is it any message? The Last Leaf. The last leaf. Here in this chapter, what do you see? This is the leaf of a creeper, a plant, ivy creeper. This is the last leaf. The writer is saying, the writer is telling about that last leaf. The story of this chapter is, there are two girls. You can say, writing the name of the characters first of all. First, Sue. Second one, John C. Third, Old Bearman. And fourth one, the dog. Yes. The whole story is about these four characters, and the main character, you can say, John C. in this story. On this John C, the title is given The Last Leaf, which you will understand at the end of the chapter. The last leaf, what is the meaning of this last leaf, what it symbolizes. Okay, so actually you can see that the last leaf here is a symbol of hope. Symbol of hope. It symbolizes hope. And you will understand this, how it symbolizes hope for this girl John C, when you will read this chapter. Okay, then I will start the explanation of this chapter. After the finishing of the chapter, you will easily understand very enlightening story, very touching story this is. Okay, so as I told, a brief summary about the chapter. Sue and John C, two artists. They were the artists. Artists in the sense they are painters. They are painters, and they are sharing a common room, common flat at the third story of the building. And this is the story of Greenwich Village. Greenwich Village in New York, of course. Okay, there these painters used to live. The man was also a painter. 60-year-old painter is also a painter. Now, what is this story about? John C. John C. was suffering from a disease that is known as pneumonia. You may have heard pneumonia. Pneumonia is a disease of lungs. Yes, disease of lungs, where lungs got infected. So this John C. is suffering from the disease. The doctor, he used to visit daily John C. Sue and John C. are friends. Sue is living with John C. only. Bearman, he has also played an important role in this story. So, without wasting our time, let us read that thread and read the paragraph and let you understand the story. Okay? Okay, students. So, look at your book. The last page, chapter 7. It is autumn. Which season is it? Is autumn season. The wind is blowing hard and it is raining heavily. All the leaves on an ivy creeper have fallen except one. Why doesn't the last leaf fall? Why doesn't the last leaf of that creeper have fallen? We will see in this chapter. So this story is of which season, which month? Can say it is the autumn season. ऑटम सीजन यू नो पतझड़ का मौसम होता है जो, तो विंड इज ब्लोइंग हार्ड, ऑब्वियसली बहुत तेज हवाएं चलती हैं और पेड़ से पौधों से सारे पत्ते गिर करके गिर जाते हैं. बारिश भी बहुत तेजी से हो रही है, जोरों से बारिश. इट्स रेनिंग हेवी. नाउ फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ. सू एंड जॉन सी, two young artists, shared a small flat. The flat was on the third story of an old house. As I told you, Sue and John C. The two young artists, they were painters. They shared a same flat. एक स्टोरी के तीसरे मंजिल पर they are sharing the same flat. एक फ्लैट में लोग रहते थे. The flat was on the third story of an old house. Okay. John C. fell seriously ill in November. She had pneumonia. She would lie in her bed without moving, just gazing out of the window. Sue, her friend, became very worried. She sent for doctor. Although he came every day, there was no change in the John C's condition. Yes, John C. was suffering from which disease? Pneumonia. देखिए यहाँ पे in the month of November, अब आप ऐसे समझिए कि in India November, in the month of November we are having winters, but USA in the month of it is autumn season. Okay. John C. was suffering from pneumonia. She would lie in her bed without moving. बेड पे पड़ी रहती है बिना किसी हरकत के, just gazing out of the window. Sue, her friend, became very worried. She lay on the bed and she is just looking out the window, gazing out the window. एक बस ध्यान से खिड़की की तरफ बाहर खिड़की पर देखती रहती है. Just gazing out of the window, gaze to see, to look very carefully. Sue, her friend, become very worried. Seeing this, her friend Sue become very worried. Why? What happened to my friend? Why she is behaving like this? She is not moving. She is just gazing out of the window, looking at the window only, out of the window. She sent for the doctor. Although he came every day, there was no change in John C's condition. The doctor used to visit daily. He used to see daily John C. But there was no change in his condition, in her condition. Now, next. One day, the doctor took Sue aside and asked her, "Is there anything worrying John C?" What happened one day? Doctor took Sue aside. अलग से ले जाके he asked her. John C से पूछते हैं, "Is anything worrying John C? Is anything that is worrying John C? Any matter? Any problem with her?" "No," replied Sue. Sue said, "No. But why do you ask? But why are you asking this?" The doctor said, "John C, it seems has made up her mind that she is not going to get well. If she does not want to live, medicines will not help her." What the doctor is saying, it seems that John C has made up her mind that she is not going to be well. वो ठीक नहीं होने वाली है. she does not want to live, no medicine can cure her. She has decided, she has made up her mind that she is not going to get it. वो ठीक ही नहीं होगी तो कोई भी ऐसी दवा जो उसको ठीक नहीं कर पाएगी. Okay? Means she has lose hope to survive. She is not willing to live. She has not desire to live anymore. That's why doctor is saying that if she has made up her mind, she does not want to live, no medicine can cure her. Sue tried her best to make Johnsy take an interest in things around her. She talked about clothes and fashion, but Johnsy did not respond. Johnsy continued to lie still on her bed. Sue brought her drawing board into the Johnsy's room and started painting to take Johnsy's mind off her illness. She listened her while working. Now, Johnsy was trying to distract her from her thinking, from her. She is continuously looking out of the window. So she was trying to distract her. और उसका interest, want to develop her interest on the other things. Okay, she talked about clothes, fashions, but Johnsy did not respond. Now also, Johnsy was not responding. She just lying on her bed. Okay, Johnsy continued to lie still on her bed. She brought her drawing board into Johnsy's room and started painting. What Sue has done? She had brought her painting board. As you know, Sue and Johnsy were the painter. पेंटिंग बोर्ड जिसपे उनको पेंटिंग करना होता है, she had brought, वो उसको ले आती है and she started painting something in front of, in the room of Johnsy, so that she can engage her. Okay, she can talk to her and also take Johnsy mind of her illness. अपनी बीमारी को भूलकर वो उसका ध्यान भटक जाए, ध्यान थोड़ा सा कुछ और चीजों पर जाए. She whistled while working. When she was painting, she was whistling also. Now, next paragraph. Suddenly, Sue heard Johnsy whisper something. She quickly rushed to the bed and heard Johnsy counting backwards. She was looking out of the window and was saying 12. After some time, she whispered 11, then 10, then 9, 8, 7. Sue anxiously looked out of the window. She saw an old ivy creeper climbing halfway up the brick wall opposite their window. In the strong wind outside, the creeper was shedding its leaves. What happened next? Sue suddenly heard Johnsy whispering something. She was whispering something. Johnsy was. Okay? She quickly rushed to the bed and heard Johnsy counting backwards. So, see what is happening next? She quickly rushed. She quickly went to the room of Johnsy, and what she saw is that Johnsy was counting backward. Johnsy backward counting कर रही है. क्या कर रही है? She was looking out of the window and saying, खिड़की के बाहर देखते हुए, she is counting backward 12. After some time, 11. 10, 9, 8. See what is happening there. Now Sue become much worried. Why she is doing like this? Sue also looked out of the window and what she saw that there was an old ivy creeper climbing halfway up the brick wall opposite their window. Creeper. In the strong wind outside, the creeper was shedding its leaves. वो क्रीपर का जो प्लांट है, इट वॉज सेटिंग इट्स लीव्स, अपनी पत्तियों को एक एक करके उसकी पत्तियां अलग हो रही हैं, गिरती जा रही हैं. तो यही वो जॉन्सी वाज काउंटिंग 12, 11, मतलब एक एक करके वो पत्ते गिर रहे थे और वो जितने पत्ते बचे हुए थे वही उसको काउंट कर रही थी जॉन्सी. नाउ इट्स रिमेनिंग 10. आफ्टर सम टाइम 9, देन 8. तो ये देख के Sue became very worried. Next, what is it, dear? Sue asked. ये क्या है? Sue ने पूछा. 6, whispered Johnsy. Now also Sue is counting. धीरे से कहती है 6. They are falling faster now. 3 days ago there were almost 100 leaves. There are only 5 left now. क्या कहती है जॉन्सी? They are falling faster now. जो पत्तियां हैं, ये पत्ती ये तेजी से गिर रही है. 3 days ago there were hundreds of leaves on this creeper. Now it remains only 5. It is remaining only 5. Okay? Then Sue is saying, it is autumn, said Sue, and the leaves will fall. This is the autumn season, and obviously the leaves will fall. इस season में leaves तो पत्ते तो गिरते ही हैं. When the last leaf falls, I will die, said Johnsy with finality. What Johnsy is saying? That when the last leaf falls, I will die. जब इस क्रीपर का आखिरी पत्ता गिर जाएगा, इसी के साथ मैं इस दुनिया में नहीं रहूंगी. I will die. मैं मर जाऊंगी. She said with finality, very confidently she is saying very firmly that with the last leaf of this creeper, I will also die. Why she is saying this? Let us see. Oh, that's nonsense, replied Sue. What have old ivy leaves to do with your getting well? The doctor is confident that you will get better. Oh, that's nonsense. कौन कहता है? Sue. ये कौन सी बात करती हो बेवकूफी वाली कि what have old ivy leaves to do with your getting well? इन creepers का क्या लेना देना तुम्हारे ठीक होने से? The doctor is confident. Doctor is saying that you will get well soon. बेटा डॉक्टर तो कह रहे हैं तो बहुत जल्दी ठीक हो जाओगे. Johnsy did not say anything. Sue went and brought her a bowl of soup. No, also Johnsy is not responding. Then Sue went to the kitchen and she brought a bowl of soup. She brought her a bowl of soup because she may be hungry and she was not eating this. Johnsy was not eating anything, so Sue had tried to make her understand to eat, to drink something. So she bought a bowl of soup for her. I don't want any soup, said Johnsy. I'm not hungry. Now there are only 4 leaves left. I want to see the last one fall before it gets dark. Then I will sleep forever. क्या कहती है? I don't want any soup. I'm not hungry. Now, what I want? There are only 4 leaves left on this creeper. So, Johnsy कहती है, there are only 4 leaves left on this creeper. I want the last leaf to fall before it gets dark. अंधेरा होने से पहले मैं चाहती हूँ कि ये पत्ता गिर जाए, मैं इसको गिरते हुए देखना चाहती हूँ. Then I will sleep forever. Means then I also die. मैं भी हमेशा के लिए सो जाऊंगी. सो उसको समझाती है सोने के लिए, तब उसका ये कहना है. Now, next, Sue sat on Johnsy's bed, kissed her, and said, "You are not going to die. I can't draw the curtain for I need the light. I want to finish the painting and get some money for us. Please, my dear friend," she begged Johnsy. "Promise not to look out of the window while I paint." What happened? Sue sat on Johnsy's bed. Johnsy के बेड पे Sue बैठ जाती है. She kissed her and said, "My dear, you are not going to die. Now, since I need to draw the painting, that's why I'll not close the curtain. I'll not close the window. मुझे एक पेंटिंग बनानी है, इसलिए मैं कर्टन बंद नहीं कर सकती. I need light to paint. मुझे लाइट चाहिए पेंटिंग. And when I'll finish the painting, I'll sell it and we'll have some money for us because we need money also. When I'll finish the painting, I'll sell it to the market. In the market, then we will get the money. So please, my dear, promise me you will not look out of the window while I finish the painting. तुम बाहर तब तक नहीं देखोगी जब तक मेरी पेंटिंग फिनिश नहीं हो जाती. Okay, she is begging to Johnsy. Next. All right, said Johnsy. Finish your painting soon, for I want to see the last leaf fall. I'm tired of waiting. I have to die. So let me go peacefully. Go away peacefully like one of those poor tired leaves. Okay. All right. Johnsy ने कहा, all right, ठीक है. Finish your painting fast. Then I want to see the last leaf fall. मैं उस आखिरी पत्ते को गिरते हुए देखना चाहती हूँ. I am tired of waiting. I am tired of waiting. Means what she was waiting for? She was waiting for the last leaf to fall. That's why now she says, I have to die, so let me go away peacefully, like one of those poor tired leaves. जैसे वो थके हुए पुराने पत्ते गिर जा रहे हैं, उसी तरह से मैं भी जाना चाहती हूँ. मैं भी I want to die. Okay, try to sleep, said Sue. I have to paint an old miner. I'll call Bearman up to be my model. Sue कहती है, try to sleep, my dear friend. And I have to paint an old miner. किस चीज की पेंटिंग करनी है? An old miner. So for that, I'll call Bearman up to be my model. Bearman. इसको बुलाना चाहती हूँ. ये मेरा मॉडल बनेंगे और then I'll do the painting. तो ये कह के सू चली जाती है नीचे की तरफ. To call Bearman. Now let's see. Who is that Bearman? Sue rushed down. Bearman lived on the ground floor. He was 60-year-old painter. His lifelong dream was to paint a masterpiece, but that had remained a dream. Sue poured out her worries to Bearman. She told him how Johnsy was convinced that she would die when the last leaf fell. Okay? Sue went to the Bearman and she was telling the whole story to Bearman, who was a 60-year-old painter. His dream was to paint a masterpiece. To paint a masterpiece means a painting which is very unique, very extraordinary. वो उसका ड्रीम था, उसका सपना था कि मैं कोई ऐसी पेंटिंग बनाऊं जिससे लोग मुझे हमेशा हमेशा के लिए याद करें. It is very unique, अपनी बहुत अलग. But that it remained a dream. वो उसके लिए सपना ही रहता है. Now Sue poured out her worries to Bearman. Sue ने Bearman को सारी बात बताई कि how she behaving. Okay, and she want to die at the last leaf fell. Now what Bearman is saying? Is she stupid? Asked Bearman. How can she be so foolish? Is she stupid? Asked Bearman. How can be so foolish? She is running a high temperature, complained Sue. She refuses to eat or drink, and that worries me a lot. She is having high temperature. Who? Johnsy. उसको बहुत तेज बुखार है. And she refuses to eat and drink anything. She told to, and that worries me a lot. इसकी वजह से मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा उसकी फिक्र हो रही है. Okay? I'll come with you and see Johnsy. Bearman said. Then Bearman, what he said? He said that I'll come to you and see Johnsy. तुम्हारे साथ चलूँगा और उसको मैं देखूँगा. Okay? They tiptoed into the room. Tiptoed means the way up, very silently. Tiptoed. Johnsy was sleeping. Sue drew the curtains together and they went to the next room. The creature peeped out through the window. There was only one leaf on the creeper. It was raining heavily and an icy cold wind was blowing. It seemed as though the leaf would fall any minute now. Bearman did not say a word. He went back to his room. They went to the room, Johnsy's room. Johnsy was, what they saw, that Johnsy was sleeping. Bearman and Sue went to her room, Johnson's room, and they saw that Johnsy was sleeping. Sue drew the curtains together and they went to the next rooms. She peeped out through the window. कर्टेन बंद कर देती है जॉन्सी के रूम का और अगले नेक्स्ट रूम अपने रूम में चली जाती है सू. दे पीप्ड आउट एट द विंडो. पीप मतलब चुपके से देखा, धीरे से देखा उसने बाहर खिड़की की तरफ. और व्हाट शी सॉ, देयर वाज ओनली वन लीफ ऑन द पेपर. देयर वाज ओनली वन लीफ. नाउ इट इज remaining only one leaf on the क्रीपर। उस क्रीपर पर एक ही पत्ता बचा था। इट वॉज रेनिंग हेवली एंड एन आइसी कोल्ड विंड वॉज ब्लोइंग। बारिश बहुत तेजी से हो रही है, जिसकी वजह से हवा आइसी कोल्ड विंड वॉज ब्लोइंग, बहुत ही ठंडी हवा। इट सीम्ड एज दो द लीफ वुड फॉल एनी मिनट नाउ। ऐसा लग रहा था कि वो आखिरी पत्ता कभी भी गिर जाएगा। ओके, बेयरमैन डिड नॉट से अ वर्ड, ही वेंट बैक टू हिज रूम। बेयरमैन ने कुछ नहीं कहा और वो चुपचाप अपने कमरे में चला गया। व्हाट हैपेंड नेक्स्ट?